Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a
Bath and Body Works package. Yeah, ooh, Lord, just throw the stuff in here. Why that one feel like it's open? Maybe it's not, but I got, this was a Christmas sale. A little sale they got going on right now for the Christmas scents. Well, fall scents are actually on sale, but they had these on sale for $3.50. And this one is the strawberry snowflake hand soap foam, and then I got the winter candy apple, and then I got the chai sugar cookie. You can, the thing is not hardly focusing. This one, got that one. Then I got this one, ice blue lavender, and then I got this one, the cookie butter truffle. And then I got this because one of the bloggers I watch, ooh, and like it got residue on it, but one of the bloggers I watch, Mrs. Cam's, she said this one smells really, really good. I cannot remember the fragrance that she said it smells like. If I remember, I put it down below. But this one is called Covered in Roses. It got some residue on it. Ooh. It do smells good. The bottle is a little dirty, like it got oil or something on it. But I got this. And move this over here. Go get the other ones. Okay, so I got those, and then I got a whole bunch of these. So let me go through these. I got a bunch of different scents. Hopefully the things stay on them. I forgot I even had this one, but these was like $3.50, I believe. I think they usually $70.95, but I got the mahogany teak wood. Focus. There we go. Mahogany teak wood, and like I said, a lot of these are the Christmas scents. So this is winter candy apple from Bath and Body Works, and then I got frosted sleigh ride, mahogany balsam. That's 4. We got more to go. And then I got spiced gingerbread. And then I also got, which one is this? Merry Cookie. I love that because it smells like Christmas cookies. And then I got Christmas Cabin. And sugar snickerdoodle. Oh, they gave me a bunch. I did not realize I had this many in my thing. I think I got like one of each because I just wanted to see how they smell. And then I got Bright Christmas Morning. I also got some left over from last year too, so I'll be mixing them in. Tease the Season. I actually shouldn't have got that one because I got one already. Snowflakes and Cashmere. That one can be used for Christmas, but you can also use it just for wintertime. Santa's Workshop. I'll definitely be putting that in the games room. Upstairs. And then I got Fresh Balsam. I really could have not, I didn't really have to get that one because I already had that scent. And Winter. That's the one I usually use New Year's. I don't tend to use that during Christmas time. Santa's Workshop. Like I said, that one's going to go in the game room. And under the Christmas tree. I think all together, all of that probably came up to maybe about, what I want to say, about $80, I think. I don't know. I think these are $3.50 each. All these are $3.50 each. I think this was $5 and some change, and it's usually $18.85. So. And these are usually $7.95. So it was on sale. So I got that, and I'm gonna put this up. And then, of course, you can probably see I have my candy for later, because today is Halloween. By the time y'all probably see this vlog, it'll be probably way after Halloween at that time. But today is Halloween, is October 31st, Thursday, October 31st. So yeah, gonna do some trick-or-treating tonight, and hopefully I get that vlog out to you all. But I did not film my pumpkins. I did film when we was painting them, but I did not film the after. So I have to show y'all that. But let me get off of here because I'm going on lunch, and I'll come back to you all later. Where y'all gonna go?
Trick-or-treating.
Hey Jay, look at me. Hey.
Hey.
Since somebody wanna wear their mask, I just put some paint on his face.
Yeah. I need to make me face.
I painted your face.
Yeah.
And then here go Bryson, Big Bird Bryson.
Yay.
Who are you, Bryson?
I'm Carnage.
Show him your mask. There you go. He's Carnage. And then Brandon, who are you?
I'm a Stickman.
He's so long. He's Stickman. He glows in the dark. And what you call?
I'm me car.
What's your name?
garage door.
Not yet. We're gonna go out there. Get back in here. What you call, Mr. Bones?
With some bones.
Are you Mr. Bones?
Yeah.
He's Mr. Bones.
It's Mr. Bones.
Carnage and Stickman. He said Carnage. Yeah, that's Carnage, and you are Mr. Bones. He don't want to wear his mask.
Mr.
He gotta pop
Bones.
his head. You Mr. Bones? Let me see your pumpkin. Can I see your pumpkin?
Yes. I can see pumpkin.
What happened?
Can I see your pumpkin?
Yeah. Shut on.
There you go. There go your pumpkin. Here you go.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. And he's turning shark. And it's his favorite thing.
And don't say, if I'm Carnage, Carnage doesn't like sharks, I am not Carnage, I'm Bryson.
Okay, seriously. Okay, so I'm gonna try to film as much as I can, but I cannot guarantee that I'm gonna be filming a lot because, like I said, it's gonna kind of be in the moment. So I'm gonna film as much as I can, but this will probably just be like bits and pieces. My oldest, she's gonna stay at the house and hand out candy.
I need a pillowcase.
I'll get one so you can have for overflow.
I'm
But-
just going
Huh?
to carry this and you carry the
The pillowcase, that's gonna stay in the car. That way y'all dump your candy into. But yeah, but I'm gonna change my battery out because my battery's about to die, and like I said, I'm gonna try to take y'all with me. We're gonna pretty much just hit the neighborhood and do some trick-or-treating and stuff. That's about it. Nothing, no more, no less. We're gonna start in probably like the next 5 minutes. So, cause I wanted to be a little dark, but it's not. So they're gonna start in the next few minutes. But let me go ahead and log out for here so I can get a new battery.
Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. Got the world on your shoulder. True call, but I'm never gon' fold you. True call, but I'm never gon' fold you. Grown now, but I'm still getting older. Still getting closer, still getting closure. Broken hearts, yeah, I think I know ya. Hear your heart, man, I just might show ya. Hear the pain, or I might outgrow ya, might outgrow ya. We just gotta take our time, get out out your head, cause I've been all in mine. I've been waiting all day to see you. We just gotta take our time. We just gotta take our time. Get out your head, cause I've been all in mine. I've been waiting all day to see you. We just gotta take our time. So please don't be scared. I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared. I can have you, you can have
That's
me.
the other man, ain't
Do
it?
the main thing. I can have you, you can have me if you do the same thing. I can have you, you can have me. We can do the main thing. I can have you, you can have me if you do the same thing. So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
묻어져가는 우리 사이 왜 눈치 못했을까 내 시선은 너 하나뿐이었지 단 한 번도 I never thought you wanna leave me for another Thought it was all make-believe 아직 몰랐던 아픔들이 곧 따라오네 맹목적으로 너를 믿은 나 결국 다 어리석은 생각 Now I know what it means to be foolish So 나의 예상 못했지 Clueless 한쪽에 눈물 흘러 행복해보고 싶었었지 시간이 갈수록 baby I still see 다시 돌아보고 있는 너 내 맘을 자꾸 흔들어 왜 어차피 끝인 걸 아는데 그래도 오직 너만 필요해 어차피 이별은 다 똑같아 상처를 받고 날 기대 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 I can be your shield and cover for the rain Let you put your head on till the pain will go away But what we got isn't real, yeah, it's fake Cause you keep getting hurt on your own without me, babe The timing wasn't on our side when we lost it Both of us were always trying to be optimistic Always struggled to find what was meant to be important Now we kept getting hurt, tired and exhausted It costed, what did it cost? Everything Man, I need a magic bullet straight through my head Damn, wanna be in a better place What I would do to be able to hate instead of staying up late remembering every inch of your face 행복해보고 싶었었지 시간이 갈수록 baby I still see 다시 돌아보고 있는 너 내 맘을 자꾸 흔들어 왜 어차피 끝인 걸 아는데 그래도 오직 너만 필요해 어차피 이별은 다 똑같아 상처를 받고 날 기대 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해 너도 나만 필요했으면 해